Hello, students. Very good morning to all of you. Once again, I'm here with a fresh lecture of the triumph of surgery. Students, as we have followed several topic of this story, we had studied how doctor arranged to to hospitalize the dog who was looking very sick or ill. Okay, when the dog came to hospital, he began treating him without medicines. Okay, and he first of all engaged him or an exercises and fasting. He observed the dog giving plenty of water only. Okay, slowly a patch of work began between the other dogs who seems alienated from them earlier. So what happened later, he began also doctor began also watching the feeding habit of and an interest of the dog. Okay, what happened later we are going to study here. Okay, but before we explain, before I start line to line explanation, I really want to know why there is a very less interest in watching the videos and responding the same. Okay, in case if it is a matter of network issue, so I feel that network issue would be not only with me but also with everyone. Okay, as I'm watching that you are paying sincere interest watching the videos and responding in mathematics and science as well, in fact in Hindi as well. So why I'm just getting very less interest of yours in English literature language, lecture and also writing the answers. Okay, your less interest is just pushing me to send you the video alternatively after booking one day in mid. Okay, so it's just your will whether you want to see, whether you want to get my videos or not. It would depend now on you. Okay, so if you are just trying to play, so it's nothing playing with me, just playing with you yourself. So students, I only urge you, I only request you to please pay your sincere interest on the lectures, and if you are finding out any problem, okay, please do discuss in the lectures. Okay, okay, so that is what my part is to tell you, and rest you are really very intelligent. You are yourself responsible for your up and downs in future. Okay, students, so let's move toward further lectures. Okay, we have to start from here, everyone. So let's see. As he was observing the food habit of the dogs and also the tricky as well, especially when they had finished, he was watching, okay, at a door or a window. So he saw the dogs when they finished their fooding. Tricky took a walk around a shining bowl. Okay, so Tricky took a round walk round. He took a round walk on the shining bowl, means the bowl which was shining. So Tricky took a Tricky took a complete circle of that bowl. Okay, bowl, it means katora, the pot. Okay, like licking casually inside one or two of them. Okay, and just roaming here and there to the to around the pot. The dog tried to lick the pot, one or two of them. Okay, means he hadn't any interest in eating, but this time the dog licked one or two of them. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him. Okay, next day doctor arranged an extra bowl for the dog, and I was pleased to see him, okay, jostling his way toward it. And you know uh, Doctor was pleased to see that the dog was also jostling in his way toward the pot when there was an alarm of the, you know, lunch or dinner. Jostling means, simply, uh, which is known as dhakka. Okay, so it seems, that he was also struggling hard to reach his spot. Okay, it looked like. So this happened here. After that, when he observed that the dog, reached to the bowl jostling, uh, after it, from then on his progress was rapid. Okay, so from that day his progress was rapid. He was progressing rapidly. Okay, he had no medicinal treatment. The dog had, no medicinal treatments, means the doctor did not give any medicinal treatment to the dog. um, you know Treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs joining in their friendly scrimmages. Okay, but all the day long he did nothing but he discovered the joy of uh, all the day he ran about with the dogs. Okay, so he tricky, he ran about with the other dogs, joining their friendly scrimmages, as the dogs have an habit, of fighting with each other friendly. So he also tried to join the friendly, fighting of the dogs. He discovered the joy of being bowled over. Okay, he also discovered the joy of being bowled. It means, rolled over. Okay, rolling on the surface. He also discovered the joy of rolling over the ground. So trammed on and squashed every few minutes. And also trammed and squashed means, which means pressed under the leg, or trodden under the legs. So it all these things he enjoyed. Okay, the dog began enjoying all these things every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang. And further, Tricky became an accepted member of the dog's gang, an unlikely silky little object among the saggy crew. Okay, he was a silky little, object. Silky means looks fairer than others, smooth. Among the saggy crew means among the, uh, which means, basically we can say something like, feather. Okay, so saggy crew means among the, feathered, means long hair crew. He was a silky little object. Okay, fighting like a tiger for his share at mean times, means he began, fighting with the other dogs for his share at the meal time, at the lunch and dinner. Okay, and hunting rats in the old hen houses at night. And he also began, hunting. Okay, hunting rats in the old hen house at night. Okay, the old hens out, in the hens out, he tried to catch the rats also. Okay, at night. He had never had such a time in his life. The time that he was passing over there, he had never, been such a golden time in his life in past. All the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background. Okay, all the while means during this time Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously means she stayed. Okay, hovered, stayed. Anxiously means desperately in the background. She was waiting desperately at her home, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Okay, she tried to call Dr. Harriet dozen of time in a day to know about the latest news about his dog and its regarding its cure. Okay, I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly, or his correct coat worn according to the weather. Okay, whenever she called, she tried to ask whether the dog was getting his, luxurious things like cushions are being changed, okay, regularly, or whether his dresses were being changed regularly as per the weather conditions. But he every time dodged or just neglected her that question these questions. Okay, but I was able to tell his correct quote one according to the weather. Okay, sorry, but I was able to tell her, but the narrator, the doctor, was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. Okay, and she further, so uh, every time whenever she called, the doctor just tried to help her, telling about the dog, that the dog is, the little fellow was out of danger now, means he is recovering well. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly, means getting or improving rapidly by his health. So she tried to tell them. Okay, after that, the word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pomfrey. The word, convalescing, that the dog was rapidly moving or changing by its health. So it seems like, seems like a kind of, nectar for Mrs. Pomfrey, which helped her, which satiated her, tension. So this way, this news came to be a very good thing, a good healthy symbol for her. She started to bring round fresh eggs 2 dozen at a time. Okay, in the happiness of that, she started to bring round fresh eggs 2 dozen at a time. Okay, so with the happy with this, she started sending, round round, fresh eggs. Okay, so fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, she began sending to build up Tricky's strength. Okay, to build up Tricky's strength, she began, sending, for the purpose of Tricky, she began sending, fresh eggs, approx 2 dozen at a time. Okay, for a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. And doctor said, that this was a very happy period for them, as they were, now getting two eggs for each in their breakfast, as the eggs that were brought to Tricky, okay, by Mrs. Pomfrey, they did not offer Tricky the eggs. They, and means the doctor and his assistants began eating the two eggs every day, which was parceled by, Mrs. Pomfrey for Tricky. They began eating it. But when the bottle of wine began to arrive, okay, but later when the bottle of wine also had been brought to Tricky by the, maid of the Mrs. Pomfrey, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Okay, then doctor realized the real situation, what exactly were happening at the house, why the dog was not recovering well. Because if she is so if she is so impatient that she is sending things here, so she might be sending she might be feeding Tricky with all her possible way. Okay, so it was too rich enriched Tricky's blood, means when the liquor, the you know so when the beer and also the eggs, he used to have this enriched to Tricky's blood. Okay, it was to enrich Tricky's blood, means the things were sending to feed Tricky all these things. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Now, lunch became a ceremonial function where 2 glasses of wine, they used to get 2 glasses of wine before and several during the day, and also during the day they began having all these things. Okay, students, so this was a very enjoyable moment for them all, and they began enjoying these all things. Okay, so this way they began enjoying all these things. So students, we would discuss the rest of the topic in the next lecture. Till then, you enjoy yourself and keep watching the video. Thank you everyone.